My name is Peter Levitt. I'm the product manager for Sternvent. We manufacture dust collectors, and I've been with the company since 1979. Well, I think it's very important to know that we were established in 1952. Originally, we were sheet metal contractors, and we started to develop a line of dust collectors in the 1960s. And it's been a family-owned business, and we concentrate on both industrial applications and also school woodworking shops. Well, we have a whole variety of applications we've been involved with over the years. We certainly have done woodworking and metalworking, but we've had welding smoke and rubber grinding and blending of powders, manufacturing of pencils, pianos, you name it. The school market's a completely different area of commerce because HVAC engineers specify dust collectors for schools, and often they're not that familiar really with dust collectors because they're a specialty type product. So we work very closely with the various engineering firms around the country with our sales reps in order to assist engineers to specify the right type of dust collector that'll be the most energy efficient and quiet for the needs of a school woodworking shop. On the school market side, we will be assisting the engineer basically in the design and also for code compliance to make sure that the dust collector that he or she is going to be specifying for school complies with the National Fire Protection Association and also the International Mechanical Code. Well, for potential customers on the industrial side, certainly look at our data bank of years of experience to see what equipment we've sold for that particular application. And if necessary, even contact an old customer for a reference. For an industrial application, we need to know the type of dust. We also need to know the explosive index of the dust. It's called the KST value. That's very important nowadays, so we make sure that we're supplying a dust collector with the proper safety devices on it in order to minimize the chance of fire or explosion. We need to know whether the operation is production or intermittent, whether the dust collector will be located indoors or outdoors, and whether the air will be recirculated or not. With that information, we could at least start with our sales reps in selecting the type of equipment that would be most suited for the application. For a school project, we need to know the types of woodworking machines, how many there are, how much planing is done in the shop. Planing produces shavings. Shavings are very bulky and can easily fill up a typical 55-gallon drum that's commonly used with a school dust collector. Once we have that information, then in addition we need to know whether you're recirculating the air or not and what possible safety codes you may have to comply with. Typical codes are the National Fire Protection Association and the International Mechanical Code. People come to us because of our reputation for making rugged equipment that lasts for many years. We get calls from people for replacement parts who have had our equipment for 20 or 25 years, and it's certainly still in use. People are impressed that our equipment is American made and it has the integrity that you would expect from Sternvent.